In this video, I'll be going over the different aspects of inventory management. So as you can see in this slide here, I'll be covering points such as how to receive and adjust inventory in warehouses and vans, how to check product conditions, how to overlook quantities, and how to edit and delete certain stock. I'll also be showing you the stock in warehouses, how to locate stock in vans, and the synchronization of stock between the app and the ERP, as well as the quantity in hand and how to overlook good and damaged stock. First off, I'll be showing you the various different inventory management settings in the back office system. So as you can see, from the home page, you simply scroll down to inventory management and click firstly receive and adjust inventory. So this is where inventory updates come in from your drivers once they're done with their deliveries. So as you can see there, we have the date there, the incoming time, the destination warehouse where the stock was dropped off, any document references, and then the status as well. So you can see green indicates that they've been received here. If you click on any one, you just get a little bit more detail here. So again, you've got the verifier and you've got the reason as well that the inventory was dropped off, and you've got the items as well, and also the product conditions there. You can choose to edit any of these as well to make any adjustments as you see fit. So you can change the destination warehouse. You can choose the verifier, who verified it. You can choose the reason, and you can also choose the products here as well. You can change and adjust them accordingly. If you look here, we've got the product conditions. You can see these products came in as good, but you can also choose to mark goods as damaged as well. This is what the driver would do on his mobile device when he's finishing and unloading the stock for the end of the day. He'd choose the warehouse, he'd unload all the stock he wanted to, and then decide whether it was good or whether it was damaged as well. And as you can see, you can adjust the quantities there. So I'll just click save. Okay, so now if we go into inventory stock, you'll see here you've got a drop down at the top, and you can choose from any vehicle and any warehouse, and you can see the inventory at that particular destination. So we choose Greenwich Warehouse, for example. You can see we've got all the products, the condition of the products there, the product codes, any batch numbers, and the quantity on hand at that given warehouse as well. If I show you an example, the vehicle, you can see that this is all the stock that's loaded on that vehicle at that particular time. This is updated in real time. So as a driver sells their stock to a customer, makes a delivery, this will adjust accordingly as well. So you can see again, we've got the same information, the condition, product codes, quantity on hand. Okay, so now I'll take you over to the handheld and show you how a driver adjusts inventory and stock through his mobile device on the go. Okay, so now I'll show you a quick example using the handheld. So if I bring up this right now, you can see that the driver may have loaded the predefined quantities already, the loaded stock that was set out for particular customers, but he may want to add a few more items just for this example. So choose a few of those. So you can see there he's got 3 of both. Just click confirm. Mark with a signature and a name. And that is loaded onto the van. And as he's recorded it on the handheld device, if you go back here, refresh this page, you can see the incoming time 9:24 just now, vehicle 7, and the status is received. So you can see you can view this here. You can see the destination warehouse and where that inventory is now. You can see the items there. See again, we've got 3 of both good condition. So if I take you back onto the handheld now, so he's loaded his stock, service customers. Now he wants to unload his vehicle. Choose stock. simply unload. If you go back in to the system, see there updated. Now the destination warehouse is the main warehouse. That's where the inventory has been transferred to, and the status is received as it was confirmed on the handheld device. You can see that was the stock that was listed on the driver's van there. Okay, so that's it for inventory management and adjusting stocks. Thank you. So say your driver needed to make a van-to-van transfer with one of your other drivers. Say he's got insufficient stock for a certain delivery, or he needs to upsell, or he just needs more stock on the van for whatever reason it might be. All you have to do is unload his vehicle and choose any one of these options. So you can see here we could choose vehicle 3, vehicle 10, and you can see these come up in the list along with the main warehouses. You then simply sign and choose to unload there as well. That would pass the stock over.